Welcome to the payment gateway-based fees and discounts. A simple way to adjust checkout costs based on payment methods. Let's begin by activating the plugin license to unlock all settings. General, Info, Global Extra Fee, Payment Gateways, and more. Now that you've seen where the main settings are, let's start by enabling the plugin. Before adding rules, we need to switch the plugin on globally and optionally at the product level. In the General tab, check Enable Plugin to turn on fees and discounts across your store. If you want product-specific rules, enable Per Product Fees. This adds a new Payment Gateway Fees box on each product edit page. Let's create your first fee rule for the credit card payment method and see how easy it is to customize checkout costs. Other third-party gateways also work the same way. Go to the credit card section and enable it. Enter the fee title as credit card fee, choose fixed or percentage fee type, and set the value, for example, $20. If you select percentage, you can also define minimum and maximum fee limits. Set the condition to apply fees if no coupon is used. Apply the fees to specific countries, categories, and shipping method. Let's see your new rule in action on the checkout page. Add a product to the cart and choose credit card as the payment method. The $20 fee appears automatically in the order summary. Switch to another method and the fee disappears. If the rule applies only to US orders, selecting United States shows the fee, while changing to India removes it. Now let's check the shipping method. Select Free Shipping. The fee appears because this method matches the rule. Switch to any other shipping method. The fee disappears again because the condition no longer applies. And if a coupon is applied, the fee is removed instantly. You're all set. You can now easily add payment-based fees or discounts for any gateway, customize them per product, and fine-tune exactly when and how they apply. You can also set multiple fees per gateway, skip fees by subtotal, or even add fees for custom payment gateways. And if you ever need help, our documentation and support team are just a click away. Thanks for choosing the Payment Gateway-based fees and discounts plugin.